Hello, I'm Prajosh Srinivas, and I'm CTO and co-founder of Beunec Cloud Technologies, and I'm the lead developer for Beunec Cloud. So this is what I'll be walking through the entire Beunec Cloud. So this is what the dashboard we have. We have manage files here, where you can manage files, you can leave files, you can share files, and you can see the files that is shared with you. And we have Aselius Workspace that will be demonstrated by Austin, and we have task flow basically to create tasks and to create events, to create tasks, and we have even discussions for specific task flows, and we have calendars to mark events, and just like the normal calendar, and each event is specified for these flows. We have unique docs. Basically, the docs is measure your AI type, and you can type out of the docs. You can use the voice here. You can type based on the voice commands too. And we have some of the AI agents in the Beunec docs. You can do different AI activities like researching, translator, humanizing, summaries, and other things. You can even publish this document. There's going to be one of the live link that can be published and viewed by any other people. And you have coming here messaging. These are encrypted messaging. You can share documents and you can manage all the documents here with files here. You can create channels within each of the DM chat so that you don't have multiple groups. You can even create groups with multiple people, and you can even manage the permissions here with a different access and roles for each of the people. And we have networking where you can view the profile, you can see number of people you're connected with, and you can connect, disconnect, accept, reject connections here, and manage all the people for your network. And here comes settings, basically manage all your settings, details, and everything that is visible for the users. And you can even set the email preferences for the messages. If you receive a message, you can get an email or not. It's all about the cloud platform we have.
Hello, my name is Austin Jung, and I'm the AI/ML director at Beunec, and also one of the co-founders. Today I'm here to give you a little demo on the Aselius AI workspace. So let's jump right into it and create a workspace for this demo. And let's just jump right into it. So let's start with our Beunec IDE. And I kind of wanted to just give me a script that will sort my files based off of file type. And we can see that it immediately fills it into our IDE and then gives us our thoughts on it. And then we can see that it's also saved in the backend right here. But let's say I want it to change something. Instead of Pascal case, use camel case for the function name. And we can see here that it only changes the part of the code that it needs to, and not any of the other stuff. Next, let's take a look at some of the sources that we have. So I'm going to show you our web search combined with our coin lore source. And what I want it to do, or actually let's do it in a new chat space. What I want it to do is give me current Bitcoin information and look into news that might have affected the price. So here is the thought process. And here it gives us a thorough reasoning. It gives us the current Bitcoin price and some news about why it might have changed in the past week or so. And then lastly, let's take another chat space and use some of our connectors. So our connectors are app integrations, external app integrations that our agent can then use. So let's ask it to look at my GitHub projects and then send an email about the summary of what each of the projects are about. And so here are the thoughts. And I did this before, but let me just show you guys again. And it says I have sent the email to Austin. So currently there's nothing here. But if we refresh a couple times, we can see that a new mail popped up. And here is a summary of our 3 GitHub projects. So here is the small demo. And here are the different connectors that we have currently. And I don't have every one of them connected, but the one we use is Google and the GitHub. In the governance section, we have system instructions and content restrictions along with knowledge enlightenment for the workspace so that the agent is kind of specialized for what we are or what the user is working on.